Hi everyone. Now in this video we will see about GATE graduate aptitude test in engineering. Let us who are eligible for this and third years and final years BA BSc, those who are studying in BTech, those who are applying for this GATE exam, and let's see about history of GATE. This GATE exam will conduct 7 IIT institutions and 1 IISc Bangalore. These are all grouped together and conduct GATE exam every year. If you are eligible in this GATE exam, or else if you are get good marks in GATE exam, you will do MTech or MS. Let's see about organizing institute in 2021 is IIT Bombay. In 2020 IIT Delhi, and like this every year different IIT and GATE 2020 paper we have cutoff marks also for general OBC, SC, ST and PWD. We have 27 papers in GATE exam. We have to choose two papers like electrical, ECE, aeronautical engineering. And 2021 what is new? IIT Bombay released official notice for two subject exam papers we have been attempting GATE 2021, and we have two new subjects ES and XH, environmental science and humanities and social sciences. We have MSQ, multiple select questions, and GATE 2021 IIT Bombay conducting. IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur and different IIT companies and IIT Institute Science Bangalore are conducting this postgraduate test, and we have paper code and general aptitude marks, subject marks, and total marks is 100 and duration 3 hours for this exam. We have multiple choice questions. For this we have negative marking also. For 1 mark 1 by 3% negative marking, and 2 marks 2 by 3% negative marking, and numerical answers type. We have to fill these answers, so there is no negative marks for numerical answers type. And let's see about paper codes. We have 27 paper codes, and this exam conducts all India level. Conducting authority of IIT Bombay, and application mode is online. And let us see these paper codes: aerospace engineering, agriculture engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering and ECE, and life sciences, mathematics, metallurgical engineering. We have different 27 paper codes: humanities and sciences, environmental science and engineering, statistics, physics. We have to choose two papers for each EC subjects we will see here. And more exam mode, computer based mode only for all papers, sections 3 sections, and duration 3 hours. We have 65 questions and 10 questions related to general aptitude, and subject related 55 questions, total 65 questions, and we have duration 3 hours and total marks 100. Let us see the subject wise percentage asking questions. General aptitude 15%, mathematics 14%, network theory, signals and systems, control systems, analog circuits, digital circuits, EDC, EMT, communications. These are all ECE related subjects. We have to choose electrical subject paper also in 2021 writing exam. and different IT paper also. And we have, as you know, general aptitude 15 marks, mathematics 15 marks, and technical questions which are related to core subjects 70 marks, total 100 marks. And we have in subject wise 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions, and which are related to that marks. And let us see mathematics 13 marks. Like this way they ask questions. You have negative marking also. GATE 2021 application dates announced by IIT Bombay. Let's see how to apply for this. And GATE application starts from 14 September to 13 September, and with late fee we will pay 7th October to 13th November. And we have exam on February 2021 and results 22 March. For female candidates 750, SC/ST 750, and other candidates per paper 1500. For 2 papers we have to pay 1300. And career options of GATE exam, we have to settle in abroad also, and MS, MTech, and PhD after qualifying this GATE exam. And let us see some benefits of GATE exam. Job in core sector, high pay package projects, and good paper allowances, public respect also, high job security, work, good work for life balance. Let us see the best app. Grade Up is the best app for preparing GATE or else any exams, SSC or CHSL. And here we have syllabus and question papers. And let's crack the GATE. Third year's best choice for this year. We are competition for final years also. And thank you. I hope this video will help for you. Best. All the best for your 2021 GATE exam. Thank you for watching this video.